It gives me class. I have the hiccup. I cannot drink a glass of water. Miss Kim, drink a glass of water. Hiccup. It gives me. I still have the hiccup. I cannot take a deep breath and hold it. Excuse me, I still have the hiccup. I cannot read the room for a minute. May I come in? Boom. Ah. The children laugh and laugh. Hey, I don't have the hiccup anymore. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. But now we do.
Great job!